How to delete a Discord account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete a Discord account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to basically go ahead and then delete your Discord account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Discord application here. Now before you try to delete your account, if you own any of the servers, you have to transfer the ownership of that server, or you have to delete the server, otherwise you will not be able to delete your account. So just come to the profile icon here and go to the option called account. Once you go to account, scroll down to the bottom, select the option called delete account, and then just tap on the delete option. Now in my case you can see it says you own service, so first I have to transfer the ownership. And if you don't know how to transfer ownership of a Discord server, we've also already made a video on that, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And this way you should be able to delete a Discord account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.